The curse of the Fattie continues. I will never touch another Fattie F-14.
It's so cursed. It's so cursed.
The agony of defeat.
Oh, I'm so pissed off right now. All right, we're back. Round 2 with the Fattie. Now, Tom Hunt is here. He's flying something, but he will be over here as soon as he's done. He fixed this thing, right? We got new servos, and in doing that, we ripped out the stock gyro, and in doing that, we had to put in a 6-channel receiver. There goes Tom. Which means we split the Y harness now. So, I need to plug it in, reprogram it, and then we're going to be ready to fly this thing. Got to rebind, because he was bound to his remote.
The curse of the Fattie continues.
She's not binding. She's also not making any noise. It goes into bind mode, but it's not binding.
So it's getting power, but it's not. Well, it has a beard.
It's working. The magic touch. This guy. Yeah, all right.
So let's tell these people, what did you do? Well, I see. So the gear doors ain't working anymore.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because they were just too badly broken. So I just glued the doors together and it cut out a hole big enough for the landing gear to go in.
And it works.
The mains are fine.
Yep. You fixed that. Did you use same type of temperament? You got something better this time.
Well, actually, it's a little softer, so it actually might bend rather than snap.
Got it.
But
so that's
yeah,
fixed.
so I put a new pin in that landing gear that broke.
And then we got
And
all new
servos.
13 gram Predator.
Right.
Yeah. And they're fast.
FMS, yep.
Show the people.
If we went to a higher KV motor, this is an 1100. If we got the same motor in, say, a 1500 or 1600, maybe we could go to a 3-bladed prop and have more ground clearance. Smaller 3-bladed.
You think this is something we should make EDF or not? The twin 50s?
I think they're going to get heavy.
You didn't tell the people that you chopped my prop.
Yeah, a little bit. Just to give us a little more ground clearance.
A little more rotation. Can we check that?
Well, it won't have much more. It's not going to have a whole lot more.
Yeah, what is that? So that's about, what is that, an inch?
Yeah.
All right, well,
I'm
let's see.
I'm going to see if it flies off the ground anyway.
You just hit the prop.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Oh, we're already doing better than last time. We have a gear. So we're one step ahead of the curve. Everybody was saying it was that missing gear causing it to roll. I don't think it was. Whoa, you didn't hit the prop on the way up.
I held full down elevator for the first little bit.
Gear in?
Nope, they are now.
Does she feel wonky?
Nope.
Not at all.
Great.
Really?
Just got to trim it. Okay. Needed some aileron trim. Ah, feels great. Flies like an airplane.
Does it? Let me see. That sound is kind of crazy.
That's all right. It's just probably the...
Let's get a nice low
Yeah,
pass.
it's just a resonance. I just happen to be at a...
Show the people a nice low pass.
Yeah. And then next time around, I'm still trimming it.
I think this is a permanent trim kind of plane.
Yeah.
I feel like you're always going to be trimming this thing.
You trim it every time you fly.
It probably could use a little bit of an AS3X or some kind of gyro. She's got some pep.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not even at full throttle yet. I'll go next pass. I'll go full throttle.
It looks hilarious.
All right, coming through full throttle. Oh, I gotta force it down.
She sounds good. Does it want to climb when you full throttle?
It does climb. Like I gotta force half stick forward to keep it down.
So that's kind of where the gyro would come in. You could essentially set like a heading hole type thing.
Well, yeah, but the gyro won't trim the airplane. It'll just keep it from doing silly stuff there. I got some down elevator in it now.
You think rudder-ons would help? Just for control.
There's no rudder capability.
Well, I would set it up essentially tailerons, but I would have it.
Flies great the way it is.
I would have them work for the rudder.
No, you can't. You can't use ailerons as rudder.
Well, I would set a mix just so I feel it. A little something when you hit that rudder. I'm impressed with how fast it is.
Other than the way it looks, it flies fine. That was me.
Touch and go?
Yeah, that should go.
No?
No, not with it. Not with the.
You scared of the prop?
Yeah, and this landing gear might not last more than one more bad landing. So, flies awesome. All right, let me see if I can do a decent landing. You change the battery, and then you can fly.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot. And people could tell us who landed better.
Well, you did put it in the snow, right?
Look at this. Hey, 3-pointer. She's in. Look at that thing. Fat Cruz made it. That is hilarious.
All right, your turn.
So it was the servos.
Oh, so
It was the servos.
awesome. It was the servos, yeah.
Crazy.
Those FMS 13-gram servos are doing the job.
Is it too early to start complaining that my hands are cold in case this flight doesn't go as well as Tom's? I gotta blame something.
So what are those betting apps now? Like we should have you should have took odds beforehand, put it up on the app.
All the clevises
Yeah,
tight.
there you go.
All the
Quite a bit of down elevator.
all the clevises are tight, right, Tom?
Yeah, Clevises.
Your third cousin Clevis. Oh!
You let up on. You pushed back down after you let up on the down.
It's so cursed. It's so cursed.
The agony of defeat.
Oh, I'm so pissed off right now. Are you kidding me? You know what happened? I was down elevator. It started to lift.
Yeah, and then you pushed down. Again.
No, I was holding it down already. And then by the time I lifted off, it was too late.
We can fix. We'll give you another chance.
If Tom did not put so much time and effort into changing and fixing this, I promise you guys watching, I would have field goal punted this thing so fast. You know I don't want this now. You fix it, you're keeping it.
Whatever.
I'm done with it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I feel terrible, this guy.
I'll give you a receiver back.
Well, it flew good for Tom. The servos were the problem. I am also the secondary problem. So,
All right, so I got to fix the wing here, and I put the glue. The tails broke off clean.
Yeah, no, that's easy fix.
Yeah, and I just got to fix that pin in that other landing gear.
motor, man.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
that's all right. Yeah,
I'm never touching this plane again. This thing is so cursed.
we'll fix it up one more time.
I'll watch you fly it.
Now that's the other pin. That's not the one I fixed.
It's the other one. Jeez. This is brutal. All right. Well,
I'm glad you did such a lousy job of gluing the vertical tails in.
CA and kicker.
Yeah. And yeah.
Otherwise, it would have
Yeah.
snapped. So it did fly good, though.
Oh, yeah.
It's still probably one of the coolest, funniest looking planes I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Now we could see some F-14 style carrier landings with your new fancy prop setup.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
No problem. Oh, come on, Jay. You got this.
I got to trim it, but
You know, me and Radio Master don't get along.
well,
You need a bigger battery.
no. It's just probably where I was trimming, where I put the elevators. Yeah, I got it trimmed. No, maybe not. There we go.
Tom got the fatty. That sounds so weird. Look at this. This guy's looping and rolling. This thing flies good, huh?
Yeah, I still need it.
Does it fly like any other plane now? Or is
Oh, it flies like every other airplane. It doesn't, it just looks strange. I'm still, I gotta put some bias in the,
So what I'm gaining out of this is they just need to sell this as an ARF. Put your own servos on. Put
Yeah.
that motor up top, and you guys have a good flying plane. Wow, look at the moon.
Nice, right?
All right, back to
there
the
we
plane.
go.
There he is.
All right, I finally got it trimmed.
I challenge you to do a back loop around the moon.
Yeah, let me just roll it first. Oh, it rolls great.
Yeah, that's a fast roll. Well, it has ailerons. It's not ailerons.
Yep, it's stalled.
Recovers somewhat fine though, right?
Yeah, it recovers okay. Just don't do anything stupid. Let me try and loop it with a little more speed.
Oh, it's stalled on the loop.
Yeah.
Angle back.
I was trying to do it over the moon, so I wasn't watching, so let me do it here. Now, it doesn't like going around very well. It loops, but
That thing looks hilarious. It looks so funny, dude.
What about inverted?
Well, now let's see it touch and go. Now I want to
right,
challenge
all
you a little bit.
All
All right,
right.
we get it. You can fly it.
yeah, I can touch and go.
Touch that thing. Let's see it. Touch that. Touch the fatty. Touch the. I can't believe this thing is back up. I promise you, if you weren't here last time, and I knew you didn't,
You would
put
have
it,
drop kicked it.
I would have drop kicked this thing. This thing was. I would have had Sean standing over there with his hands up, and we would have field goaled right through his arms.
I felt the pain there. You're on.
I was honestly, I don't really care about I just felt bad that this guy.
Whoa!
Oh,
I saved it.
I just knew how much. I knew how much work he put into it, and I was like, that's really what bummed me out. I was like, this guy Tom put,
I'll tell you, it definitely flies weird with the gear down.
Yeah?
It flies so much better with the gear up. Oh yeah. When I had the gear down, it was a little pitch sensitive.
Well, you got to realize it sounds crazy, but even that little bit of weight shifts
There it is,
the
inverted.
CG.
There you go. Wow. Fine.
Yeah, I had to push quite a bit.
Yeah.
Now let's try a slow pass next time around. Let's see how. I'm not gonna be too low though. I want to just see how.
So I got to be honest, man. If summer comes and this thing still is an FPV, I'm gonna be highly disappointed.
All
in your
right. Well,
FPV
you know what?
capabilities.
I'll save it. I'll put it aside.
It's got a big enough cockpit.
Yeah.
Dude, I promise you, I'll fly this one time, and this thing's gonna be. It's gonna be packing full. This and the AL-37 are my two kryptonites.
Not terrible, is it?
No.
Yeah, it flies pretty good.
Nah, I'm gonna land it. I have no idea what the battery capacity is like, so. But yeah, if you don't want to fly it, it's fine. I'm not gonna push you.
No.
Yeah, I really don't like the way. Oh, it really gets pitchy with the gear down.
Wait, are the gear down?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
with the gear down, it gets pitchy. Not bad. I'll take it.
The fatty lives to see another day. It looks so happy about it too.
Yeah, it does. It's smiling.
It's a happy little F-14. Well, congratulations on your successful flight. I'm
Thanks.
glad you did it,
All
not
right.
me. And guys, FPV maybe.
Maybe.
You
A few months from now.
We'll see. It does fly well. Tom flew it well. It's certain planes. AL-37 is a cursed plane for me. Every time I touch it, I crash it. Fattie F-14. Every time I touch the sticks, I crash it. I hope that's it. I hope there's no other plane in the history of RC airplanes that I'm cursed with. 2, I could live with that. Anyway, you will not see me fly that again.